so they can be dragged. So a lot of times people, this will happen. It's not working. It's not working. It's like, well, you have your controller set wrong. So now we'll enable. Get ready for the enter button because we just did some repairs because something goes weird. Yes. Enable. Okay, that's good. And then you grab the joystick there, and all you care about is this left one. Just push it forward full steps.
I just want you for 1 second to look at that.
Yeah. All right. Those look off too, honestly.
Yeah, these are honestly off, but that's not good. Okay.
Yeah, usually when there's a little bit of pressure on it, it fixes the PID. You got it. All right, you can stop. And then on the dashboard, we get printouts. Oh, we may have disabled it. There we go. Here's our encoder values here. All right, you guys can align the wheels. Were you pushing forward? Okay. So we want nuts down.
Nuts down? Get under the man.
So, can you rotate one of them? I just want to make sure we're getting good values. Which one are you doing? Front?
Back left.
Back left? So watch back left. See the value change? All right, and then line it up how you want it. So what we do is we have them manually do it, and then we read the values here, and then we transpose those into code. Code. And then we have a constant
breakout board rather. I mean, you needed more of this. That was like about getting. Why you do this board? Does the Robo Rio have enough on it?
I want to say it does, but it's a lot easier to like plug in stuff this way. You have more like labels and things like that. It'll work without that.
Yeah, I mean,
had to put more.
This file looks different than the rest of it. Here we go. So, encoder 0. I think we did it all in one spot. There we go. There we go. Here's our offsets. Since we run one more, do one more than one robot, we actually have the concept of a competition robot and a practice robot, and then you can actually choose if you're in comp or practice. So this is our comp bot. So now we have to transpose these values. This is front left 81, front left 77. So these drift. This one has not been changed. Alright, front right, 145, front right, 146, not bad, not a lot of drift there. Then back left, 294, back left, this one was replaced, 294, back right, 44. And really, there's a little bit of slop allowed in this. 4. Oops. All right, do you remember how to deploy? Control Shift D. I got you. Oops. Wait, hold on. Okay. Save first. All right, Control Shift B. All right, once once that goes again, enable it, and then he'll let you know if we did.
How often do we need to do that?
Whenever there's maintenance done to the swerve.
Okay.
Yeah. And we do it at the beginning of each competition because you saw there is some.
Okay.
There's a real one.
Sorry. Okay. Yep.
Go full forward.
Yeah.
Exactly the same as it was. Nothing changed.
Did we not do it to the right robot?
Nothing changed. It's still
Maybe we did it to the wrong one instead of competition. Maybe it's another one. Maybe it's the
it's exactly as it was before.
Okay.
I don't know what else it could be doing.
Break that.
Yeah, did it deploy? Did you see it go, did you see the robot code go red?
I didn't see it go red.
Okay, can you try to deploying again? Control Shift P. Here. And then build. Did you do Control Shift P and then did you do build?
Are you guys still trying to solve the jerking problem of the motors, or?
Yeah, and then yeah, there you go. They were trying to do maintenance on the swerve. Okay, this looks better.
Replace the swerve, so now he's at 3-0.
Okay.
Sensor here.
Okay, can you bring the dashboard up so we can see, make
Oh,
sure?
bring up the dashboard.
Or whatever, not the dashboard, the thing that has the lights on it.
This?
Is that it? Yeah. Do we see it?
The only remember where it was last.
Wouldn't it already gone?
Yeah, maybe it already did.
Should we retry it?
Yeah, we're gonna try it again. Okay, there's red. There it's green. Okay, so should we try to enable it?
We could try running the installer in it just.
Alright.
Full forward.
No. What?
These ones are really weak too.
Okay, so stop it. So Nathan, it doesn't look like wait a minute. Doesn't look like the encoder values worked.
Oh, it did? So go straight.
Do a circle and
Go slower. This is the new one too, isn't it? You know, we might be getting noise. We had this problem where we were actually getting noise on the signal wire. This little guy, yep. The one you got your finger on.
which ones don't feel like they have